What is going on, you guys? How are you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. Real quickly before I get into the rest of today's video, I would just like to say, if you guys haven't checked out the previous video from a few days ago, be sure to check it out because it was a ton of fun to film. I rode in a 560 horsepower F10 BMW M5. That thing was absolutely insane. I had some pretty cringeworthy reactions to the pulls, but I had a lot of fun filming it. If you guys could check out that video, I will leave a link to it in the description box down below. Be sure to check it out. That would mean a lot to me. But anyway, for today's video, I hope you guys are interested in this because for those of you 328i, 330i, naturally aspirated BMW owners, I think you guys can benefit from this video quite a bit because I'm going to be showing you guys how to get some more power out of these cars. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so just as a quick disclaimer, the bad news about the naturally aspirated BMWs with the N52 motor is that it is pretty hard to squeeze extra power out of them. It's not easy at all, to be honest, and if you're looking to make like 80 to 100 horsepower gains on your 328i or 330i, it's pretty much next to impossible to make that happen. There really isn't much aftermarket support with these cars, unfortunately, and there aren't really any significant power mods to boost the power as well. However, what I'm going to be explaining to you guys today about what to do to your 328i or 330i is definitely going to make a difference noticeably within handling, within acceleration, performance, and just the overall butt dyno feeling, I guess you could say, for lack of a better term, as to making more power on these cars. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I have a 2007 335i coupe, so my car actually is not naturally aspirated. It is twin turbocharged with the N54 motor, but these cars are pretty much identical except for the powertrains, so I could still use my car as an overall example for the video. Now, the first thing that I would do right off the bat with any naturally aspirated BMW actually doesn't have to do with the motor or the powertrain at all. And that's going to have to do with getting a comparable aftermarket set of wheels and a good set of sticky performance rated tires for these cars. Now, if you get some lightweight forged wheels with a nice set of Michelin Pilot Supersport or Pirelli P0 performance tires, that is right off the bat going to change the car dramatically overall. Now, lightweight wheels are going to make a dramatic difference because, of course, your car is riding on the wheels and it is riding on the tires as well. So the lighter the wheels, the more durable they are as well. It's going to make the biggest difference in the overall driving feel as well. The car is going to feel much more nimble, much more tossable. The acceleration, the launching capabilities will all be improved dramatically. And like I said, if you add a nice set of tires as well, your gripping, handling, all of that is going to be improved along with the wheels. So right off the bat, I mean, not only that, you're probably going to be saving a significant amount of weight as well. So overall performance in just about every category, I would say, is going to be improved by just adding better wheels, better tires. So for step 2, now this one might sound a little bit dumb to some people, but just go around your car, dig through the inside, dig through the trunk, and pull whatever crap, whatever junk that's in your car that you don't need. Get rid of it, toss it out, take whatever you can out of the car, because at the end of the day, it's weight savings and it's unnecessary weight added onto the car. Now, for those really clean people who take care of their cars super well, that's great. You don't have to worry about this. But for those of you guys that have a ton of random garbage in your car, get rid of all of it, clean out your car, take all the junk out, and try to reduce as much weight out of the vehicle as you can, because the lower the weight, the better it's going to perform. As dumb as that might sound, believe it or not, it can make a huge difference. If you can save an extra 15 to 20 pounds of just getting, eliminating a bunch of crap from inside your car in the trunk or wherever it may be, you're definitely going to make a significant difference on the car's overall handling, on its acceleration, on all of the performance categories. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys are thinking, well, what about an intake? What about an exhaust? What about maybe a tune or something? Yes, they do offer those for the N52 BMWs. You can get the factory performance air intake. You can get the factory performance exhaust. I think even there's a factory ECU upgrade that you can do as well. But to be honest, you guys, all of those are pretty expensive. I highly doubt you're actually going to even notice much of a difference with your car. Instead, I would actually put that money to something like a good set of quality coilovers, like some KWs or, just something along those lines, or some Bilstein shocks or something. and upgrade the suspension, make the handling tighter, make the car more nimble. That way it's going to, you know, tear up corners, canyon back roads. When you launch the car, it's not going to have as much body roll and flex, and overall your acceleration is going to be better. So I would focus more into something like suspension rather than, you know, air intake upgrade, which isn't going to do anything. The good news is that used 335i's and used 328i's literally go for like the same price. Like there really isn't much of a price difference. So if you really care about extra power and you really just want more performance, just upgrade to the 335i. It really won't hurt. Honestly, yes, there is some more maintenance involved with these cars, but the upgradability, the tunability as well is just off the charts on these things. Just to let you guys know, stickers add another 15 horsepower, as we all know. Make sure to have at least 1 or 2 stickers on your car, because not only does it make more power, it improves your aerodynamic efficiency. So anyway guys, that's going to do it for this video today. I hope you guys all did enjoy. If you did, be sure to smash that thumbs up button, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new here as well. So like I said, in summary, basically get better wheels, better tires, suspension, do some basic weight reduction. That's about it really that you guys can do, you know, on a budget-friendly way to upgrade or modify your car. There isn't a whole lot outside of that, but I promise you guys, if you guys follow those steps and do that, you will notice a pretty significant difference on your 328i or your 330i or whatever it is. But anyway guys, as I stated before, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace out, guys.